Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a infinity square, so it keeps on going like that. And yep, so that's how it is. So what you need is a glue stick, pair of scissors, pen, and anything that's a circle, just to do some shapes. So I'm using Vaseline and also a square sheet of paper. So the first step is to fold it in half. So like that, we're gonna fold the sheet in half. Then we're going to grab this side and fold it into the middle. And then you're gonna do the same with the other side, like that. Okay, so now we're gonna open it up and we're gonna, so it's like that, and then we're gonna turn it the other way and fold it in half and do the same things we just done again. So I'm gonna fold these parts into the middle like that, and then this side. Okay, so now we're gonna open it up and we're gonna fold it in half, and you can see there's like 2 cubes over here. We're gonna grab our scissors and cut out those 2 cubes. Okay, so cut out this. And something really cool about this is if you want to make more, you can just use this part because it's a square and make another one, and then you can use the square part from here, make smaller and smaller ones. It's very cool. So now we're going to open it and we're going to get our glue stick and we're going to put glue over here. Right here, and then on this side we're gonna put it here. Just gonna put a bit more here. Okay, so now we're gonna fold these like that and press down. Okay, so now we're going to fold these parts. So we're going to do the same thing with the glue. And we're going to get some glue and put it over here. Like that. So one there, one there. And then we're gonna fold it down. Once you've done that, you got your infinity square. So you can see there's a line down there. Fold it that way and separate these like that. And then when it's like that, you just fold it. And then you're gonna do that, and this is a time where you grab your Vaseline or whatever object that you have is a circle, and you're gonna get your pen. I'm gonna trace around it. This is actually to make an emoji. So some parts out, but that's fine. So we're just going to do a simple face, a smiley face, or maybe we will do the face sticking its tongue out like we done with the other one. I'm just gonna go with a nice simple smiley face. There we go. And then we're gonna flip it open again. Circle. And this side. There we go. Okay, now for this one, I think we're going to do I have a very good one. There we go. So that's it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!